Hi guys, it's LeJanaro back with another video. Thank you so much for coming along with me on my sewing and crafting journey. I would like to say thank you to all of my new subscribers. Thank you for subscribing to the channel, and everyone who continues to come back and sew along or craft along with me. All right, so today, well, let me give you a little bit of backstory. I can't remember if it was a pattern or fabric haul, and usually at the end of my haul videos I have a random haul section, and this 5-blade scissors was at the end of one of my random hauls. I asked, what are these? What do you use them for? And I got a couple of different responses. Thank you guys so much for those responses. But the one that I got the most is fringe. So I am going to try to make a tassel using this 5-blade scissors. I got these from Hobby Lobby. They were on clearance for $3 and something. So picked them up. The orange tag always gets me. So, so I'm going to experiment and try to make some fringe. So I'm going to use this 5-blade scissors. I have a piece of cardboard because I'm going to be working with glue and I don't want to mess up my table. I have some cork, so because I'm going to be using cork for the tassel. I will put the measurements in the description box below for this. I have some glue here. You can use, there's several there's several different types of glues you can use. I have this tacky glue you can use. E6000 you can use. This Fabra tack you can use. I'm going to use this craft stick glue for the top here. Just because I don't want to really deal with this E6000, because that's usually what I use, E6000. And I have used this as well to make a tassel. I do have another tassel video on the channel. I will link that in the description box below for you. If you don't have 5-blade scissors, I show you how to make a tassel using your rotary cutter and a ruler. So you also, this is optional. I have some tassel caps here. That's one of them. It has a little screw that goes with it, so I'm trying not to lose this screw. I got these tassel caps from Hobby Lobby on clearance, but they do sell these. And then got one shaped like this. Not real sure which one I'm going to use yet, because I'm basing it on the size that this turns out once I roll it into the actual tassel. So I'll see which one it actually fits. So if you decide to use a tassel cap, you'll need the tassel cap, the screw that comes with it, and a teensy tiny screwdriver. Of course I can't find mine right now. Hopefully by the time I get to that part in the video, I'll find it. But you can find them in kits at the Dollar Tree. The Dollar Tree has those teensy tiny screwdrivers in like a little kit with the different types of screwdrivers in them. So catch it before the Dollar Tree increase their prices, because I hear they're going to increase their prices. All right, so let's get started experimenting with the 5-blade scissors and try to make this tassel. All right, so for my cork piece, I just have it down. Actually, I can move this cardboard out of the way for right now. What I did, I measured down about 1/2 inch, and then I drew a line all the way across. That's just to let me know where to stop cutting when I start using the scissors, because you don't want to cut all the way to the edge. You want to stop and maybe have like a little 1/2 inch here left over. All right, so I did that. So now I'm just going to take these scissors and try cutting. So I'll go ahead and tell you, this is a little thick. Ah. I don't think this is gonna be. So let's try again. So yeah, that's not working, guys. So maybe it's the fabric, maybe it's the cork fabric. Yeah, it's not cutting this cork very well. All right, so let me try to grab, I don't think I have any faux leather around. And this could be user error. Here's some denim. Nope. Nope, doing the same thing. Let's see if I can find. All right, here's some cotton cloth. So, no, it's not working for me. So, I tried, let me come back to another angle. All right, guys, so that was an epic fail. Someone did tell me that they also used it to cut confetti. So, probably take a piece of paper and cut it. Of course, I don't think I have any paper anywhere. So let's say you want to add some razzle dazzle to your packaging. Maybe you could maybe do some confetti. I'll do that in a second. I found a little piece of paper, but so I tried it with the cork, and that's what happened. This could very well be user error, but it was getting caught. This cork has like a fabric backing, so it was getting caught there. Tried the denim, same. Tried some cotton cloth. I don't even know if you can see that. So now this will make some good distress. If you look for like a distress thing, that might be a good use for it if you want to try to distress some denim or something like that. There's some denim caught in here. But here's some paper, so let me try. Yeah, cuts through the paper like butter. So the glare from the light, and then if you want to cut across there, you have some confetti that you could put in packaging instead of going to the store and buying the things of confetti. You can use these 5-blade scissors and cut you some confetti. That is not. So yeah, it's cutting through that really well. Yeah, so. And then you would cut this way to make the confetti. And it's just kind of falling down. I don't want to make too much of a mess here. But yeah, works really well on paper. So that was an epic fail, but at least we know now. If you want to know how to make a tassel, like I said in the beginning, I will link the video of me making a tassel in the description box below, where you would use ruler and a rotary cutter to cut your fringe. All right, guys, so thank you for coming along on this experiment with me. It was an epic fail, but hey, can't always show you the good, right? Got to take the good with the bad. All right. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next video.